This is the tutorial for Road Song. So I'm going to show you very slowly each section. This is the introduction. There's a bass line that goes D, F, F sharp, G. And you hold the G. I'll do that again. D, F, F sharp, G. And the right hand answers that phrase with F, a chord, F, B flat and D. That's F, B flat and D. And then it goes to a C chord, G, C, E. And the rhythm of that is so I'll do those two bits together, left hand first. And it goes again. And it goes again. The last time it's a bit different. The bass line is the same. D, F, F sharp, G, and then it goes, and there's a chord on the end where you move your hand up to F sharp, C and F. So I'll do all that. Practice very slowly. Try and use the fingers that I'm using. Last time, move your hand up. That's the introduction. Now we're going to do the tune. Right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's G, B flat, G, B flat, G. I'll do that again. And the next bit is D, F, F, D, F. I'll put that together. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next bit now is, that was G, B flat, G, B flat, and then it goes up. C, D, C, B flat, G, G, B flat, G, D, F, G. I'll do that second bit again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand for that. That's the first section. Left hand is like this. It's the chord of G minor, G, B flat and D. And it will be like, if I put two hands together, it's question and answer. So it's and then the left hand goes G, C and E. And then back to G, B flat and D. So I'll do all that. And then the next section is G and C in the left hand. And then you just move one finger to F sharp, keep the C. I'll do that bit again. Back to the G minor chord. That's G, B flat and D, and we're going to go. And when we play the D on the right hand, we're going to use an E flat chord, which is E flat, G, B flat. And you have to get your hand right up in there. take a bit of practice, that chord. And then you just move one finger and you get E, G, B flat. And then the last little bit is so that was F sharp and C on the left and F on the right, and then the G minor chord with the G on the right. So I'll do that whole section very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. C chord. That E flat chord, E flat G.